So fly fam, you know it's your boy Henry, and you know we're back with another video. As would I say, another day, another dollar out here. Now what they are doing? How we are introduced to Life of a Jamaican Chef. YouTube, Life of a Jamaican Chef. Well, my name is Nakuyen Henry. It's me. Go by George, Papi, etc. So, we'll talk about Life of a Jamaican Chef. I mean, we are getting in depth into the life, my life, what it takes to become Jamaican next top chef. We are drop dish after dish, Jamaican authentical food. We have playlists, we have challenge with the Soulfly fam. We are drop some challenges. We have pranks with the Soulfly fam. We have baking 101. Baking 101, alright. We have a cookbook. It's a challenge. It's a challenge. Me I challenge myself, people. I want to know to come along the journey when me I challenge myself. We have a cookbook. Or we have bake every recipe out there. We have take 1 year, people, and bake every recipe out there. And when we bake a recipe, we have do a challenge after. So you can look forward for that. Yeah. Remember, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the post notification bell, people. So you don't miss out on a video. It's a hot people, yeah. So, remember, subscribe to the channel, Life of a Jamaican Chef. Yeah, people, so we post video like every 2 days out of the week. But we want to try drop video every 3 days. So we post video Wednesday and we post video Saturday. Some Sunday we post video, yeah. And we have a next thing pan with channel where we are do. Are you saying yes to the dish or no to the dish? So we are showing with Jamaican talent, just normal everyday people Sunday dinner, how them present it. Say for instance, how you present your food to your husband, etc. You see me? So we are showing all of that. And the people on Facebook or IG I go be the judge, them I go vote on the dish. Yeah. So you can check out my channel, member you know, people. Subscribe to my channel right there, so yeah, subscribe there, so turn on the post notification bell, like, share, comment, subscribe. Hope you enjoy my channel. Member, you know, people, don't subscribe to the thing, you see me? We have some nice video for drop, and you can drop on a video idea on a video suggestion. So anyway, that's it for the day. Remember, we have video come right over there, so yeah, right there, so you just click on that and just watch the video there, so comment down below.